Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Neil Gavin. I'm a registered nurse and I do have a degree in medical surgical nursing. I create my nursing educational videos to help nursing students and nursing professionals like you with their studies. If that is something that you are interested in, consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber though, thank you so much for your love and support. I see you. I upload my videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If that is something that you are interested in, please make sure to subscribe now. You hit that notification bell so that you will be updated every time I upload a video. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends because that will really help me know that you like to see more content like this. Without further ado, you guys, let's jump into the video. Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? Wherever you are right now, whatever time zone you're watching me right now, I just wish you good morning, good afternoon, and good night just in case I don't get to see you. Welcome back to the channel of learning all about nursing. And let me just say, I know I am kind of late. This video is kind of late because like I said on the intro, I upload every Wednesday, but it's better to be late than never. I'm still gonna fulfill my promise to you of uploading 3 videos every week. Yes, pasensya na nga po kayo at hindi ako nakapag-upload kahapon. Gawa ng ako talaga ay ewan ko ba ano nangyari sa akin. I was just so I was just like dying. I don't want to say I'm tired, but I am so dying tired. And I'm just hoping that you guys understand. This is really a full commitment that I'm giving you guys. And I'm really committed to this. And this is my way of saying thank you for all of you guys who's listening right now, who's watching my videos, and keep on sharing my videos. Pasasalamat ko at patuloy ko na pagtulong sa lahat ng mga nursing students and nursing professionals na talaga namang marami ako nare-receive na feedback from all of you guys saying that how much this channel helped you in your nursing profession and in your nursing career and in your nursing journey. Maraming salamat po. Now, hindi mo pa napapanood yung very first video natin nung Monday, which is all about PNLE 1. I created nursing test banking videos, mga posibleng tanong na maaaring lumabas ngayong board exam, ha? Panoorin mo yun. Ngayon, ito ay isang another entry natin sa ating cheat sheet playlist where I created short but quick videos which you can use for your study. Now, this is your ultimate guide for medical nursing abbreviations and acronyms. Now, I've created several videos under this playlist. I am highly recommending you to please watch all of them, share it to your friends, share it to your classmates and to the other nurses that you know, because medical nursing abbreviation and acronyms is something that you will use in your practice. Not only you will use this on the day of the exam or other examinations, but on the actual setting, it's better to familiarize yourself with some of the medical abbreviations para hindi ka parang ano daw yung mga ganon. So this is very useful. Now, I created a lot of nursing, like multiple videos regarding medical nursing abbreviation and acronyms. Check that one out. Ngayon, gusto ko lang i-announce yung podcast na ilo-launch ko by late this year or early next year. So that podcast, I still have no title though, but I am just, if there's anything that I'm sure about it, this is, the intention of the podcast, which is about empowerment, about mental health, spirituality, soul, wisdom. I love talking those topics and I actually just need to let it out and just put the content out there. And I'm hoping that I'll see you guys there and support me on my journey to podcasting because I haven't tried it. Obviously, and this is going to be the first time. I want to take you with me. All right. So please, I'm wishing that you guys can support me on the day that I'll be launching my podcast. It's going to be available hopefully in Spotify or in all the music streaming platforms you can think of. But yeah, I'm really excited about it and I hope you are too. So, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Before anything else, kung hindi ka pa nagsasubscribe, papalaki charm. mag-subscribe ka na sa channel ko, i-hit mo na yung notification bell para naman updated ka. Kasi bukas, mag-upload ulit ako and you don't wanna miss that out. Also, follow me in all my other social media accounts. Everything is at Neil Galve, except for my TikTok account, which is Neil Galve Official. All the links to my social media platforms is on the description box. Check the one out. That's for you. Ngayon, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Mabilis lang ito. 10 medical abbreviations and acronyms ang i-discuss natin for today. So, handa ka na ba? Handa na. Let's begin. Our first abbreviation for today is DOA. Or you can see it in a couple of ways, like DOA without a period, or D period O period A, DOA. This means dead on arrival. Once again, that's DOA, which stands for dead on arrival. Ito yung mga pasyenteng pagpasok sa ER, patay na. Hindi na nakarating sa hospital, on the way to the ER or sa hospital or sa facility, patay na sila. Nag-arrest na. So you call that patient DOA, dead on arrival. Next, we have DR. Not delivery room, capital D, small letter R. Couple of ways on how you're gonna write it and see it, with a period or without a period, but this means doctor. Once again, that's DR. That stands for doctor. Next, we have capital D and X, DX. This stands for diagnosis. Once again, that's capital D and capital X, DX, which means diagnosis. Next, we have capital ECG or EKG. This means electrocardiogram. Electrocardiogram. ECG or EKG means electrocardiogram. Nagmalilito, ha? It's the same. Okay, let's proceed. Next, you have emergency department. Your abbreviation to that is capital E and capital D. Or you can also see it and write it as capital E period D period. Once again, that's ED. That stands for emergency departments. Let's proceed. You have your EEG. Two ways on how you're going to see it or write it, with a period or without a period, but it should be all capital letters. So it's EEG, and this stands for Electroencephalogram. Electroencephalogram. Once again, that's EEG. That stands for electroencephalogram. Okay, let's proceed. We have your EENT. Two ways on how we're going to see it or write it. But it should be all capital letters, with a period or without a period. EENT. This means eye, ears, nose, and throat. Again, EENT stands for eye, ears, nose, and throat. Okay, let's proceed. Next, we have capital E, period, or just simply capital E. This stands for enema. Enema. So when you see this in the doctor's order, especially when a patient is doing a bowel preparation, E could stand for enema. Okay, let's proceed. We have, I believe this is the last one, or no, second to the last. We have this symbol, F, with the degree sign, and then F, which stands for Fahrenheit degree. Fahrenheit degree. Okie doke, let's proceed. Last one, we have F, or FE, or F without a period, or FE without a period. This stands for female. Female. Madalas mo ito makikita sa nursing cardex. M kapag male, F kapag female. Once again, that's FE or F. That stands for female. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more nursing educational videos. Let me know if you have other nursing topics that you want us to do. Comment it down below. Abangan nyo nga po yung upload natin tomorrow, Friday. Tulungan nyo na nga ako, ipamalitan nyo na sa Radyong Sira ang pinakabago, pinaka-fresh at ang pinakalibreng nursing review center sa balat ng YouTube. And please don't forget to give this video a like and share with your friends para naman mas maraming makaalam about sa channel natin. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my other social media accounts. Everything is at Neil Galve except for my TikTok account, which is Neil Galve Official. Would also like to invite you to please follow, like, and share my Facebook page. It's Neil Galve. And I'll see you again tomorrow. You have a good one.